Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can log payment against multiple invoices. So for that, first of all, let's go to our payments module. On your left hand side, you will see payments module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in payments module, do check for the status, that is a receivable or that is a payable. So as of now, we have selected the receivable, and these are list of all the invoices which is available here. So always do remember that while logging the payment in bulk, the counterparty name should be same. So suppose if I am going ahead and just logging a payment, so I should only log the payment in bulk for Brilliant Engineering Private Limited. If the counterparty will be different, then after it will give error and the payment will not be logged. So what I will do, I will just select it. I will select it in the bulk. As you can see that from the very top I selected, or you can manually select it as well, as we do have provided checkbox in front of each and every invoice. Then after, on your right hand side, very top corner, you will see log payment option. Please click on this. Please check here. So all the invoices which I have selected are coming here. You can very well go ahead and just put the payment amount and accordingly each and every detail. Then you need to select the payment date. So payment date is of today. Payment account, in which account the payment have came. It have came in State Bank of India. Payment mode was NEFT. Reference number is optional. You can put it for your reference. Comment you can type. Now I will go ahead and click on log payment. So once I will click on log payment, please check all the payment log of invoices are done. I can go ahead and see it in the received segment. So please check. If I go in the received segment, all the payment log which I have made just now is coming here. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while logging payment in bulk. Do remember that payment log in bulk can only be done for one counterparty. If the counterparty will get different while selecting it in bulk, it will give you error. Have a good day ahead.